Showers becoming fair later. Good. The Motion points to Cape Road. Westerly backing southerly or southwesterly 3 to 5, occasionally 2 at first and south. Showers becoming fair later. Good. And Shepherd Miles, northwesterly 3 or 4, becoming variable 3 early, and southwesterly 2 or 3 later, occasionally 4 later in west. Showers. Good. And that completes the shipping forecast. And that's it for another day here on BBC Radio 4. In a few moments, we'll join the World Service for the news at 1 a.m. with Neil Nunes. In the meantime, on behalf of Andrew Peets in the newsroom and myself, Al Ryan here in Broadcasting House, if you have been, thanks for listening. Have a safe, quiet and peaceful night. Good night. Ihula.
198 Kilohertz. 22.09.2025 UTC. Knapp vor Mitternacht UTC.
At midnight GMT, this is the newsroom with me, Chris Barrow. Another Western country recognises the state of Palestine, joining the UK, Canada and Australia. I declare that today, France recognises the state of Palestine. Donald Trump tells doctors in the US not to prescribe paracetamol or Tylenol to pregnant women. Taking Tylenol.